Hello everyone, this is Branniger. I'm going to do an unboxing today. These are the Aquarium plant root tabs that I ordered. I was expecting them tomorrow, but they are here not a moment too soon because my Sagittaria are melting badly. So there they are, 55 Osmocote plus root tabs in a nice Ziploc bag. So start with one, and using my Fluval planting tongs we'll attempt to place one close to the roots of these poor plants. Oh! You know what? I think it's going to float because it's full of air. So if I can get it under the gravel. Nope. Okay. Maybe if I get the water in the tab or squeeze the air out. Oh, I wish I had longer tongs. Well, it's in there. I hope that makes a difference. Thanks for watching. I'll see you real soon on the next one.